The latest in the fight against the pandemic. Pfizer formally asked the FDA to authorize emergency use of its COVID vaccine for children, George, between the ages of 5 to 11.
That's right. The FDA is set to consider the application on October 26th. If that agency and the CDC both give authorization, shots could start in early November. Steve Osunsami starts us off from CDC headquarters in Atlanta. Good morning, Steve.
Good morning to you, George. The FDA is promising to move quickly on this, and a decision could come by the end of this month. It's what many parents have been waiting for, and others this morning are fearing. Drug maker Pfizer says that it's ready to vaccinate children and is now requesting emergency authorization use of its vaccine for kids 5 to 11 years old. The shot would only be a third of the dose that's being put in the arms of people 12 and older. Like adults, children would need 2 shots about a month apart. And Pfizer says that these smaller shots prove safe and effective in children during trials. If approved, more than 28 million children would be able to get this vaccine.
Protection in our pediatric populations is part of the key to finally putting an end to this pandemic. We have millions of kids that are still vulnerable, and because of that, we still have major risk in parts of this population.
FDA advisors will meet on the 26th of this month to go over Pfizer's data. If the FDA decides to move forward, then it's up to the CDC to sign off. If the process moves quickly, millions of American grade school children could start getting vaccinated as early as the beginning of November, which means that many children under 12 could be fully vaccinated by the end of the year.
We want the FDA to go through its process around authorization to make sure that these vaccines are appropriate for our kids. I fully suspect that we'll see is that the benefit of these vaccines far outweigh any risk.
In Ohio, 9-year-old Luke Moore has already gotten his 2 doses of the Pfizer vaccine. He was part of the trial and says he couldn't be happier.
I feel good about it. I really want everybody vaccinated so at school people could have their mask off.
Kids are cute. There's another age group that vaccine makers are preparing for, and that's children ages 6 months to 5 years old. We're told that a vaccine for that age group could be ready as early as the beginning of next year. Cecilia.
Okay, Steve, thank you.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.